Okay, so welcome back, and in this video we will be unboxing the relatively new Weikav WK810s. So this is a mechanical keyboard bare bones kit, so it's a 75% gasket mounted wired keyboard, and it costs around 1,900 pesos as of creating this video. Okay, so first impressions on the box of the keyboard, it feels like a gamer feeling. It looks like the box of an NVIDIA graphics card, so with the light green and black colorway. So let's move on to the unboxing of the box. So just one tab here. So it has a dust cover, so this is very good if you want a dust cover. So it's a free dust cover, and we now have the bare bones kit here. Oh, so it is relatively light. Okay, so unlike the other 75% keyboard kit, it is light. Okay, so first impressions on the board. So color white is very clean. Okay, and it comes with PC plate, PE foam and plate foam already built in. So, and it also has some Fecker themed plate mounted stabilizers here, and we also have a knob. So the knob is relatively small. Okay, so it does not have any grooves, it's smooth. However, this part of the keyboard, I don't know if you can see that, this part have grooves on it or ridges on it, which gives it a bit of a texture. Okay, so let's look at the top side view. So there's nothing here, just a Weikav branding here. And let's look at the back side. So the back side, we have here 2 feet. So you have 2 layered feet, so you can open the small one, also small one, and the large one. So we also have the USB Type-C port here, which we have 3 pathways, so you can put the cable here, and cable here. Okay, so we also have some rubber feet built in on it, and that is pretty much it. So it's very good to see that we have here a built-in PE foam. So PE foam has been a very popular thing nowadays, since we can get that marbly sound out of the keyboard. So take note that this is a north-facing board, so it is very... So moving on to the build quality, I would say that this keyboard is pretty light, and again, this is made out of entirely plastic. So this is ABS plastic. So again, this is a gasket mounted keyboard. However, since I have not yet opened it, there is not much flex onto it, stock. Okay, there's no flex onto it. However, I could imagine that if we open this board and mod it a bit, we can produce flex, especially since there are flex cuts on the PC plate. Okay, so that is a very good thing. So let's move on to the things inside the box. So we have here a very thin manual. So the manual is written in Chinese. And so moving on to the accessories, we are given a generic switch puller and keycap puller here. So nothing special here. And we are given a Type-C cable, and I would say that this Type-C cable would be pretty decent, considering that it is gold plated. So the USB is gold plated, and the Type-C end is also gold plated, and it is not does not feel very cheap. However, this is not braided, and this is only rubber coated. Okay, so that is everything inside the box. So I will be building this keyboard in a future video, so stay tuned for the next video. So see you in the next video.